Hi everyone, I'm here to present practice problem for algebra. First is factoring. Number 1, x raised to 4 minus 5x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x plus 8. So to factor this equation, we must first write negative 5x cubed, 3x squared, and 2x as a difference. So it will become x raised to 4 minus 2x cubed minus 3x cubed plus 6x squared minus 3x squared plus 6x minus 4x plus 8. Next is we will group them into binomials. So it will become open parenthesis x raised to 4 minus 2x cubed close parenthesis minus open parenthesis 3x cubed plus 6x squared close parenthesis minus open parenthesis 3x squared plus 6x close parenthesis minus open parenthesis 4x plus 8. So you can factor them out. So it will become x cubed open parenthesis x minus 2 close parenthesis minus 3x squared open parenthesis x squared x minus 2 close parenthesis minus 3x open parenthesis x minus 2 close parenthesis minus 4 open parenthesis x minus 4. The x cubed, negative 3x squared, negative 3x, and negative 4 are common factors while x minus 2 is common binomials factor. So we need to factor out x minus 2 from the expression. So it will become x minus 2 close parenthesis open parenthesis x cubed minus 3x squared minus 3x minus 4. After that, you need to write the negative 3x squared and negative 3x as a sum. So it will become open parenthesis x minus 2 close parenthesis open parenthesis x cubed minus 4x squared plus x squared minus 4x plus x minus 4. Next is we're going to group them into binomials. So it will become x minus 2 and x cubed minus 4x squared plus x squared minus 4x and plus 4x minus. After that, you can use factoring. It will become x minus 2 and x squared and x minus 4 plus x and x minus 4 plus 1 and x minus 4. So the x squared, x and 1 are common factors while x minus 4 is common binomial factor. So we need to factor out the x minus 4 from the expression. So the final answer is x minus 2 and x minus 4 and x squared plus x plus 1. So let's proceed to the next, which is x cubed plus 4x squared plus 5x plus 6. First is you're going to write the 4x squared and 5x as a sum. It will become x cubed plus 3x squared plus x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. So next step is you're going to group them into binomials. So it will become 3x cubed plus 3x squared and 3x x squared plus 3x and 2x plus 6. After you do it, we need to factor them out. It will become x squared and x plus 3 plus x and x plus 3 plus 2 and 2 plus 3. Next is we're going to factor the x plus 3 from the expression. So let's put the x plus 3 on the left and x squared plus x plus 2. And that is the final answer. Next example is x cubed minus 5x plus 4. First you're going to do is add and subtract x squared. So it will become x cubed minus x squared plus x squared minus 5x plus 4. Next step is write negative 5x as a difference. So the negative 5x will become negative x minus 4x. Next is we're going to group them into binomials. So you make an open parenthesis and close parenthesis with 3x minus x squared plus x squared minus x and minus 4x minus 4. Next is we're going to factor them out. The x cubed minus x squared will become x squared and x minus 1. Next is the x squared minus x will become x and x minus 1. And the 4x minus 4 become 4 and x minus 1. So the last step is to factor out the x minus 1 in the expression. So put the x minus 1 on the left and the x squared plus x minus 4 on the right. And that's the final answer. Next given is 25x raised to the power of 4 minus 24x squared y squared plus 4y squared. First, you're going to write negative 24x squared y squared as a difference. And it will become negative 10x squared y squared minus 10x squared y squared minus 4x squared y squared, and you need to add and subtract the 10x cubed y and 4x cubed. So it will become, so first you need to group in them into trinomial. It will become 10x cubed minus 10x cubed y plus 4x cubed minus 4x cubed. Next is we're going to factor them all once you get the answer at the center. So it will become 25x raised to the power of 4 plus 10x cubed y minus 10x squared y squared and negative 10x cubed y minus 4x squared y squared plus 4x y cubed and negative 10x squared y squared minus 4x cubed plus 4y raised to the power of 4. Next is we're going to factor all the parentheses. So factor out the 5x squared plus 2x cubed y minus 2y squared from the expression. And the final answer is 5x squared plus 2x cubed y minus 2y squared and 5x squared minus 2x minus y squared. Next given is 9x raised to the power 4 plus 6x squared y squared plus y raised to 4. First you're going to do is write the expression of the 6x squared y squared as a product with a factor of 3x squared and y squared. And use xm or x raised to the power of n and o and raised to the power of m to change the expression. So it will become 3 squared and x squared raised to the power of squared plus 2 and 3x squared and y squared plus y squared raised to the power of. After that, you need to multiply the terms with equal exponent. Next is use the a squared plus 2ab plus b squared is equals to a plus b squared. Factor the expression, and the final answer is 3x squared plus y squared raised to 2. Next given is a squared plus b squared minus c squared minus 4d squared minus 2ab minus 4cd. So the first step is to factor the expression of the a squared minus 2ab plus b squared is equals to a minus b squared. After you factor the expression, we need to factor out the negative sign from the expression. Next is use an a squared plus 2ab plus b squared is equals to a plus b squared to factor the expression. Next step is use the a squared minus b squared is equals to a minus b and a plus b to factor the expression. Lastly, we need to distribute the negative sign. A minus b minus c minus 2d and a minus b plus c plus 2d is the final. Next given is x raised to the power of 6 plus 2 27y raised to the power of 6. So the first step is to factor both the exponent in x and y. After you factor, we need to write 27 in exponential form with the exponent of 3. Next is use a formula of a raised to mn is equals to a raised to n and plus parentheses raised to m to transfer the equation. Next is we're going to multiply the terms with equal exponent by multiplying their bases. Once you multiply their bases, we need to use the equation of a cubed plus b cubed is equals to a plus b close parenthesis a squared minus ab plus b squared to factor the expression. Once you factor the expression, we need to simplify the expression by multiplying its exponent. So the final answer is x squared plus 3y squared and x raised to the power 4 minus 3x squared y squared plus 3y raised to the power of 4. Next given is x raised to the power of 8 minus y raised to the power of 8. So first you're going to use the formula of a squared minus b squared is equals to a minus b and a plus b to factor the expression. Once you factor the expression, we're going to use again the formula of the a squared minus b squared is equals to a minus b and a plus b to factor again the expression. We need to use it. We need to factor them out 2 times to get the final answer. So the final answer is x minus y and x plus y and x squared plus y and x raised to the power of 4 plus y raised to the power of 4. Number 9 given is x cubed plus y cubed plus 3x plus 3y. First, you're going to group them into binomial. the x and the y, the 2x and the 2y. Next, we're going to factor them out. Next is we're going to use a formula of a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b and a squared minus b ab plus b squared to expand the equation. Once you expand the expression, factor out the x plus y from the expression. The final answer is x plus y and x squared minus xy plus y squared plus 3. Next given is a plus b raised to the power of 3 minus c raised to the power of 3. So we're going to use formula of a cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b and a squared plus b squared b ab plus b squared. Factor the expression. So the a is the a plus b cube, right? And the b is the negative c cube. Next step is the use another formula to expand the expression, which is a plus b squared is equals to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, and distribute. Lastly, we need to distribute c to ab. So the final answer is a plus b minus c and a squared plus 2ab plus b squared plus ac plus bc plus c squared. That's next given is the 6xy minus 4ay plus 9ax minus 6a squared. So in order to factor them, first you're going to group them into binomials. The 6xy, 4ay, and the 9ax minus 6a squared. Next is the factor them out. The 6xy plus 9ax and the 4ay plus 6a squared. Next and the last step is the to factor them. Factored out the 2y plus 3a. In the expression of 3x and 2y plus 3a minus 2a and 2y plus 3a. The final answer is 2y plus 3a and 3x. Next given is the x raised to 4 minus 13x squared plus 36. So the first is we're going to write the negative 13x squared as a difference. It will become negative 4x squared minus 9x squared. Next is group them into binomials. Once you group them, we need to factor them out. So after that, we need to factor out the x squared minus 4y. After we factor out, we need to use the a squared minus b squared is equals to a minus b and a plus b to factor both expression. The final answer is x minus 2 and x plus 2 and x minus 3 and x plus. Next given is the ax squared minus 3b minus a plus 3bx squared. First step is we're going to arrange them and group them into binomials. Next is we're going to factor the expression. Next is to factor out the x squared minus 1. After you factor out use the a squared plus b squared formula minus a plus b and a minus b to factor out the x squared. To factor the x squared minus 1. So next, the final answer is x plus 1 and x minus 1 and a plus 3b. Next, given is 36 b squared minus 49 and 3 plus s squared. First, you're going to do is use the formula of a squared minus b squared is equals to a minus b and a plus b to factor the expression. So the 36p is a and negative 49 is negative 49 and 3 plus r plus s squared will be. After you factor the expression, we need to distribute 7 into r plus s. After you distribute 7, we need to distribute the negative sign. And the final answer is 6p minus 7r minus 7s and 6p plus 7r plus. The last given is the 25a squared b raised to 4 minus 64c raised to 6. First, we need to write the 25 and the 26 into its exponential form with the exponent of 2. So 25 a squared b raised to 4 will become 5 squared a squared b raised to 4, and the 64c raised to 6 will become negative 8 raised to 2 c raised to 6. Next step is we're going to factor the exponent of b and c. So the b will become b squared close parentheses raised to 2 squared, and the c will become c cubed close parentheses squared. After that, we need to multiply the terms with equal exponent. Next is we use the a squared minus b squared is equals to a minus b and a plus b formula to factor the expression. The final answer is a 5ab squared minus a 8c cubed and 5ab squared plus 8c cubed. That's all. Thank you.